Hello everybody and welcome to the project of measuring distance with a ultrasonic sensor using an Arduino Uno. This is the part 3 of the project and in this part we will discuss about the code. So let's get started.
This is the code. The first is the integer of the trigger pin number of the ultrasonic sensor. The second is the integer of the echo pin, which is the pin number 2. The second is the int duration and the third is the int distance, or the fourth is the int distance. Then we start the word setup, which runs the code once. Now we are defining the trigger pin number 4 as our output. The second pin mode is of defining the echo pin as the input. Next, we are putting the trigger pin as low. Then we are defining the serial monitor baud rate as 9600. Next is the while loop. In it, first we'll put a delay of half second, which is 500 milliseconds. Then we'll put the pin as high of the trigger for only 10 microseconds, and then put it again to low. Then we will collect the information from the ultrasonic sensor in an int named duration, and then to find the distance we will apply a formula for finding the distance in centimeters. Then we will serial print the distance from the object and then the distance. This is the code which runs our project. Thank you friends for watching and don't forget to subscribe to Aiversity. In the part 4 we will test our whole project and check the output of the project.